Welcome, pizza lovers. Today, we're going to take a trip down memory lane and explore the rich history of pizza. This delicious dish has its origins in the ancient Mediterranean region, where it was called pizza's fugitive. These were small, portable pies made with simple ingredients that could be easily hidden from prying eyes or theft. Fast forward to the 20th century, pizza got a major upgrade when New York City's immigrants brought the art of baking pizza to America. The pizza we know and love today was born, featuring tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and a variety of fresh, colorful vegetables. Pizza has evolved over the years, with new toppings and techniques being introduced today. You can find pizzas made with zucchini, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, and even spinach. The key to a great pizza is using fresh, high-quality ingredients that bring out the natural flavors of the vegetables. But what makes a pizza truly special is the crust. Many people prefer a thin, crispy crust, while others opt for a more traditional, thicker dough. The choice is yours, and both options work beautifully with the vibrant vegetables. In conclusion, pizza is a culinary masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Its origins in the Mediterranean, its journey to America, and the endless variations of toppings make it a dish that continues to delight our taste buds. Thanks for listening.